We humans typically, by default, find it very easy to find faults in others and very difficult to do the same about ourselves because of the typical, default, petty, self-serving nature, narcissistic nature. But we all have within us the possibility to see through it all as much as possible based on enough alertness, enough self-awareness to take necessary steps through our imperfections to improve ourselves and express what we have understood so far towards others as helps. Let's go for such an alert, self-aware journey of understanding and improving and expressing rather than getting stuck to the typical, default, petty state. Let's understand.